You know, it's the little finishing touches that really make something look finished. A little redundant, but you know what I mean. I think in a lot of cases you can see something and you see it in arrangement and you take it home, you put it in your home and you're thinking, why doesn't it look the same? Because it needs the little things around it that kind of bring everything together, that bridge the gaps, the things that hold everything together visually. That is exactly what these are. These are three beautiful kind of medallions, but they're actually done in a carved design, and they have a flat base on them so that they stand up just like this. They're each and every one made to do, have that kind of hand carved look. They have that distressed look. You see that whitewash feel. Here's the medium one. Actually, it's a small one, sorry. And then here's the medium. They're each a little different. How gorgeous is that? And then we have the large. How beautiful is that? These are the perfect finishing touches for any arrangement. A mantle, a coffee table, a dresser, anywhere you want something that's going to be stunning, bookshelves, the list goes on and on. I love the fact that these don't have a stand. The stand is built in, so they just set up very, very nicely on their own. Very clean, very finished, with that kind of soft, distressed look that always makes a house feel more like a home.